National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Calhoun County in Florida, northwestern Gulf County in Florida until 12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time or 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time or 10:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen in the last 1 hour. The expected rainfall rate is 3 to 4 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Wakulla. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Stay away or be swept away. Riverbanks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Calhoun, Florida. You're listening to the National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Gulf County in Florida, south central Calhoun County in Florida, southwestern Liberty County in Big Bend, Florida, until 11:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 10:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:54 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 9:54 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Storm Hill Creek, or 20 miles southwest of Bluntstown, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Storm Hill Creek, Wakulla, Hunterville, Lewis, Chipola Cutoff, Chipola Park, and Red Hill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time or 11:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida: Calhoun and Liberty. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Ochlockonee River to Apalachicola, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles, coastal waters from Mexico Beach to Apalachicola, out 20 nautical miles, coastal waters from Okaloosa-Walton County Line to Mexico Beach, out 20 nautical miles, waters from Mexico Beach to Apalachicola, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles, waters from Suwannee River to Apalachicola, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles, until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 12:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:47 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 10:47 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 13 nautical miles southeast of Port St. Joe, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar indicated. Impact: waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include O Tower, Mexico Beach, K Tower, Port St. Joe, Empire Micah Wreck, Apalachicola, C Tower, Cape San Bluffs, and St. George Island. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Gulf County in Florida, western Franklin County in Big Bend of Florida, until 12:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 11:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:50 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 10:50 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles southeast of Port St. Joe, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include East Point, Apalachicola, Franklin, 9 Mile, Buck Siding, 11 Mile, 13 Mile, Odina, Indian Pass, Tilton, Beverly, Green Point, Bay City, Howard Creek, Apalachicola Airport, Creels, Hayes Place, Fort Gadsden, and Willis Landing. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Franklin, Florida. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for Apalachee Bay or coastal waters from Keaton Beach to Ochlockonee River, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles, coastal waters from Ochlockonee River to Apalachicola, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles, coastal waters from Suwannee River to Keaton Beach, out 20 nautical miles, waters from Suwannee River to Apalachicola, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorm outflow was located along a line extending from St. Mark's to 8 nautical miles north of Martha, 24 March to 8 nautical miles north of K-Tower, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Buckeye Reef, K-Tower, and Martha 24 Barge. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Wakulla County in Big Bend of Florida, eastern Gadsden County in Big Bend of Florida, northwestern Jefferson County in Big Bend of Florida, Leon County in Big Bend of Florida, southwestern Grady County in southwestern Georgia, until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Midway to Doak Campbell Stadium to near Woodville, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monticello, Woodville, Tallahassee, Havana, Quincy, Florida State University, Florida A&M, Tallahassee Crown College, Doak Campbell Stadium, Wakulla, Lake Bradford, Cody, Leon Sinks, Gaither Community Center, Wakulla Springs, Tallahassee Memorial Hut, Florence, Rocky Hill, and Miccosukee. Damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in Florida, Gadsden, Jefferson, Leon, and Wakulla, and Grady, Georgia. The following The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for Apalachee Bay or coastal waters from Keaton Beach to Ochlockonee River, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles, coastal waters from Ochlockonee River to Apalachicola, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles, coastal waters from Suwannee River to Keaton Beach, out 20 nautical miles, waters from Suwannee River to Apalachicola, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles, until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near K-Tower, moving northeast at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, Radar indicated. Impact. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include K-Tower and Marker 24 barge. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.